There, if you can see, Musti has a flat tire. So last evening we got to Killar. Super tired, but super like happy. Got to a room which had no electricity and changed quickly. Somehow managed to change. Got down, went, had dinner, had a couple of drinks, and passed out. So there was no video happening at that point of time. And now we're up, come down for breakfast, and that's what breakfast looks like. Possibly every morning, yeah. Some nice paratha, some omelette, and cha. Sure. It's a Saturday. We're leaving from Killar to Jispa today. We were supposed to get there yesterday, but we're getting there today. Stayed at this hotel Shivai at Killar. नहीं bro, बराबर है. हाँ. Shivai. Decent room for 3 people. We paid about, I guess, 1800 or something, which is good enough. And the mountains didn't waste a minute. We got out of Killar and straight got to adventure. Imagine what life would be if every morning was like this. You wake up to such a good view. You have a heartiest breakfast. Get out on an adventure. Don't know what to expect. And get to have fun every day. That's the ideal life. Look at that mountain, man. Beautiful. It looks so beautiful. Everything is so static in this moment right now. Those clouds aren't moving, the shadow on the mountain. Everything is just so perfect. I'm having the stupidest falls. I went there to take a picture. This was lower. I couldn't set my foot. Dropped my bike. But as usual, here it's a good view to drop your bike to. Thank God I'm wearing this jersey today and not my riding jacket. Because god damn, it's hot. It's very, very hot. The terrain is fun. It's a lot more bumpier today. Like it's like a bad road and not off-road, you know. अभी आज जिस्पा पहुंचने का प्लान है, वो कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं उस पर. Look at this mountain. Look at how it's shaped. So intricate and like sharp. Just look at those houses. They're so bloody beautiful. There's a helipad down there and there. And we have another puncture for the day. This time, not the Expulse, it's the Himalayan. Oh fuck. Flat?
यहाँ किसको ढूंढेंगे?
है, अंकल ने बोला 100 मीटर आगे ही है.
आगे?
हाँ. चल राइड इट डाउन. उधर तक और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. और क्या करेंगे ब्रो? इधर खोलने बैठेंगे तो पागल हो जाएंगे. वो अंकल ने बोला 100 मीटर आगे ही वो बाहर ही बैठा है. धीरे धीरे आगे ले जाता है. There, if you can see, Musti has a flat tire. Fortunately, from where we are, we've been told there's a puncture guy just 100 meters ahead. And there is no way we could have dragged, so we had to ride it. चल चल तू रुक मत. And yet again today we have a puncture, and look at this guy. He's so happy. He's so happy that it's not the Expulse, because this time it's Musti's Himalayan. And we were fortunate enough. How fortunate were you?
Half a kilometer. No, 100 meters. 100 meters.
100 meters. We found a guy who could fix a puncture.
We've been blessed with that.
Yes.
Throughout the way. So.
Yeah, this guy especially.
Look at him. Look at
him. How
Look at
happy
the grin. Look at his grin.
तू क्या खा रहा है? Some lace. After a good 45-50 minutes, we also had a quick lunch break, basically chips and like some maza, to not waste time ahead. We are back on the road. Punctures fixed, and 3:15. We've only done about 30 kilometers. So yeah, let's see. Apparently the road like this till Udaipur is bad, which is more 50 kilometers, and then the road gets better, is what we've been told. So just hoping that that's true, because we have to reach Jispa tonight. Anyhow, back to riding now. Staying behind Musti for a bit. So he's back with his confidence, which I'm sure he already is. But I don't want to wet my boots. Even though I have waterproof socks. Welcome back to my territory. Got it.
कहाँ चल रहा है ये?
This is fun. निकालो भैया. Another day, another roadblock. Good lord, it is 4:35 approx, and we're still a few kilometers away from Udaipur. It's gonna take us a while to get to Udaipur too. I'm guessing 10 odd kilometers. Good lord, this road seems never ending, man. And now honestly, I am kind of tired. I wouldn't mind some tarmac for a while. Passing some small Himachali village right now. Look at how beautiful the houses are, the color. Look at that house. Beautiful. 6 o'clock. We ate some thupka and momos here at Lama Corner in Udaipur. Good lord, there was some good meal, especially after just eating paratha and all of J&K. This was a good change, very satisfying, tasty change. And 6 now, so about 2.5 hours to get to Jispa apparently. So I've eaten, now I'm speechless, and I'm kind of high on food. So I'm just doing this and this with the bike. I thought if I'm riding behind. Right. This is the easy bit. Off-road मैं पूरा दिन यार आगे रखा लो, no problem. Tarmac आने पे थोड़ा ऐसा I'm okay if someone's riding ahead of me. It's not the rally, enjoy the valley. All I can keep saying in this video is look at the mountains, look at those beautiful houses, look at this beautiful road. And now we've reached Keelong. The sun is officially down. And it started to get cold, and I'm in my jersey feeling cold, but it's fun, it's worth it. I'm enjoying, I'm happy, and I'm waiting for my friends.